Welcome! Imagine a world without birds. Our planet would face a cascade of challenges. We'd see a surge in insect populations, impacting agriculture and spreading disease. Plant pollination would suffer, affecting food sources. Ecosystems would unravel, leading to a loss of biodiversity. Pest control would become a monumental task. Our landscapes would feel eerily silent. The beauty of nature would be diminished. Our food security would be threatened. The delicate balance of life would be profoundly disrupted, and the simple joy of a bird song would be lost forever. Thank you for watching.